underneath, a love to keep, a bond that grows, a love so deep. Underneath the evergreen, we carved our names, a love unseen. Through seasons change, we held our ground. In every breeze, your love I found. The winter's cold, the summer's bright. Our hearts have soared, our love took flight. Like branches strong, we've grown as one. Our journey's long, but just begun. Evergreen promises unbroken true, a love that lasts through all we go through. In every leaf, in every tree, the future waits for you and me. The winter's cold, the summer's bright. Our hearts have soared, our love took flight. Like branches strong, we've grown as one. Our journey's long, but just begun. Evergreen promises unbroken true, a love that lasts through all we go through. In every leaf, in every tree, a future waits for you and me. The storms may rage, the winds may howl, but I'll stand firm, I'll never bow. Through rain and shine, through thick and thin, your love's my strength, my heart's within. The world may turn, the years may fly, but love will bloom beneath the sky. With every dawn, with every night, our hearts entwine in love's pure light. Like evergreens, we'll never fade. In love's embrace, we're never afraid. The roots are deep, the leaves will grow, a love that time can never slow. Through changing seasons, we remain, a love eternal, free from pain. Like evergreens, we'll stand tall, together always, through it all. Evergreen promises unbroken true, a love that lasts through all we go through. In every leaf, in every tree, a future waits for you and me. Evergreen promises unbroken true, a love that lasts through all we go through. In every leaf, in every tree, a future waits for you and me. And evergreen promises a love that's true, together forever.